If you are looking for the best dryer vent, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Deflecto Supurr-Vent Louvered Outdoor Dryer Vent Cover. While it may be simple on the outside, this dryer vent is going to work very well to vent out your dryer with the high exhaust flow it has. It's going to be able to prevent any outside weather from coming into your home. It's also suitable for high durability demands as it's going to be able to cope with a lot of punishment. That includes inhibiting UV rays and not cracking under the sun. It's very easy to install, and once it's fixed it will remain quiet even when venting out of the dryer. Number 2. BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. This dryer vent kit is made to be used indoors, and it has been specially designed to trap lint to create a healthier environment in your home. It has a stainless steel screen that acts as a pre-filter to capture lint particles, pet hairs and other debris that can come from the dryer. This is made for electronic dryers, and it can be vacuumed regularly so it can be reused. This dryer vent can help you save energy as it will work on drying your clothes quicker. Number 3. Deflect-o HS4W4 White Supurr-Vent Louvered Hood Bathroom Vent. This dryer vent is designed for the outside of your home and will help keep wind, rain, and snow from entering your home and interrupting your kitchen appliances. This is a dryer vent cover that is easy to install and will open with ease for maximum exhaust flow. This dryer vent has been specially designed to provide a quiet operation as it has curved louvers. It is made from durable and weather-resistant materials that also come with UV protection, making it suitable for all locations and seasons. This cover will fit onto most standard dryer vents. Number 4. Heartland Natural Energy Saving Dryer Vent Closure. This dryer vent has the ingenious ability to be able to block cold air from coming in but letting out the warm air when it needs to. It's also going to block any small animals from coming. The pre-drilled holes make it easy to install, and once you have, the discreet look isn't going to ruin the style of your home. This energy-saving dryer vent closure is designed to get the job done effectively and efficiently. It can be mounted to brick, masonite, and press board. Number 5. Lambro 289W Dryer Vent Seal. For those who hate the idea of creepy crawlies coming into your home, this could be the perfect dryer vent for you. It will block any insects from entering and by extension will also help to keep out the cold and small animals. The seal it creates is highly effective and will be able to save you energy with a higher level of insulation that it gives you. The large vent area is going to be able to give you a good level of efficiency in the exhaust flow.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.